welcome to Vlogmas day 17. We are having breakfast. Ivan is right across from me. What are you eating? Hot dog. And I'm having my normal breakfast, which is toast with some egg, black coffee with hazelnut creamer. Well, it's like frothed hazelnut creamer because froth makes everything better. Today's adventure of the day, we're going to, it's called, what is it called? Oh, Kids World. Kids World, it's kind of like an indoor playground. I don't even know how long it's been since we've been in this place, but I think the last time was actually with Ina, and that was like years ago. Ivan, you ready to meet new friends today?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, they're so excited. Ooh, the invisible stamp, huh? About to get copyrighted because their music is way too loud, so I don't know how much I can actually vlog in here. Ooh, hi. We're gonna take the plunge. We are actually gonna go all the way up to the very top. Let's do this. This is a lot more difficult than it looks. Smacked in the face by the ball. A ball shot out of there and hit me right in the eye. Sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting, tingling, too. This place is actually really, really cool. I don't know. I'm like a big kid at heart. I don't know if you can tell, but I really am. My sister-in-law and I are here at TJ Maxx. She's looking around, seeing what she can find because in Alaska, they don't really have TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods. You know, they don't have those types of stores there. So she's definitely taking advantage here. She's right there. She's on the phone looking at the purses. I don't think I even mentioned, but today is Hub's birthday. Happy birthday, honey, if you're watching. Also, it's Angel's 21st birthday. Happy birthday, Angel. We love you and we miss you and we hope to see you soon. Tonight is going to be a birthday celebration for Jonathan, and also my mom's friends are visiting from out of town, so we're having dinner here. The house is set up so pretty. We have the fine china out. These are actually going to be filled with some chips. Everything looks so super fancy, right? When we walk over here to this side, table. This is like the kids' tables where we will be sitting. We have this area over here. So where the food will be, which I will share a little bit later once the food is all served. Hold on. Hi! It's Ina.
Don't forget.
Hello,
Ivan. Oh yeah, you guys have to take off your socks. From the...
Hello, Ivan. How did you have fun? Huh?
Yeah, huh? Food is now served. We have my mom's famous seafood pasta, salad, cantaloupe, grapes, chicken by Ollie, which is also my mom's specialty, some steak.
Wow,
Oh,
looks good. Looks good.
this is buko pandan
Yes.
fruit salad.
It's my birthday today.
Is it Grandma Oli's birthday today? Happy birthday, dear Jonathan. Happy birthday to you.
And many more.
And many more. Cha cha cha.
You guys know what time it is. What time is it?
Tea time.
Alright.
Okay.
Advent calendar time. Alright, so Ivan is gonna open our Hello Kitty and Friends chocolate advent calendar.
My turn.
You have to show first. 17.
I'm here.
Oh, you did? Okay, good.
Nothing.
No chocolate. So what do you have to do?
I'm sure
Switch.
No, you remember you turn it upside down and shake it. Shake it. I'm sure something will fall out. Oh, there. Oops.
Santa boots.
Ina.
16, but there's no 17.
Oh no. Yeah, I think that one's 17.
Unwind me for the season.
Oh, I think it's unwind.
Oh, unwind.
Looks like unwind though. This is organic lemongrass herbal tea with cinnamon, ginger, garcinia, hibiscus, and lemon.
I'm gonna be trying this grilled seaweed roll. It smells really good. I want to try. Good. I want to try.
Oh, that's okay. Good, the seaweed? Oh no. Here, smell it. Smell the tea.
Yummy.
Yummy?
That's it.
I guess Ivan likes lemongrass, huh?
That's it.
Lemongrass is not my cup of tea. Hey chickies, welcome to Vlogmas Day 18. Continuation from yesterday's vlog. We are entering Daiso. Oh, look at all the new stuffed animals at Daiso. These are not $1.50. Well, FYI, I think this one's like $5. It's a blue dolphin. This is something I think my mom could use. It looks like an egg kitchen timer because my mom bakes those candied pecans and she doesn't use the timer on her phone. So this would be great for her because she can just wind it, you know, like turn the dial to however many minutes, say like 20 minutes or so, and then it will ring. Look at all these, $5.
Ivan, I thought you have a green one.
It's like a cart full of stuffed animals. We have a special guest in the car. It's Ivan. Next stop of the day, we are here at Glendale Galleria. We're just gonna walk around. Here's today's outfit. Boots. I'll have to share with you the top that my sister-in-law got me, but it says "Too Fab for Your Negativity," and it has like these butterfly patches and stuff. It's really, really pretty. Are you eating a green donut? Let me see, smile. Let me see. Oh, it didn't stain your teeth though. Turn around really quick. Let me see your backpack. Well, it's Ina's, but it's a Stitch bag. We're at Dunkin' Donuts right now. What do you have, Ina? Pepperoni pretzel. We got a churro swirl. We are in front of the home of the famous Max's fried chicken since 1945. It's Filipino food. We actually haven't been here in quite some time. It's been a really, really, really long time. 2, 3. All right. It's the husband and my sister-in-law's aunt, the baby, and her daughter, Rita. I think we're getting the family set. I'm not sure which one. The chicken is here. That's Max's famous fried chicken. It's like family style. Wow, look at the halo halo. It's like ube ice cream with all this stuff with leche flan. Wow. Yay, thank you. Max's chicken. Max's chicken was delicious, by the way. Thank you to the Hub's aunt and Rena, which is the Hub's cousin, for treating us all out to dinner. And it was nice, you know, to see them. I've never met his cousin Rena before, so it was cool. We're here in Macy's right now. My sister-in-law's looking for some gifts, and we are just kind of chilling. And there's Ivan. That is it for today's vlog. Thank you for hanging out with us. Don't forget to what?
Like and subscribe.
To be a part of the what?
Chicky crew.
Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and we will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day. Alright, guys. Thank you.